The rental property sector is broken. Landlords feel overwhelmed by maintenance requests and compliance requirements. Housing providers are held back by out-of-date systems. And tradespeople aren't given enough information to fix problems quickly. This means tenants are forced to live in poorly maintained homes that may not be safe or secure. EVO is working to make things better for everyone by putting tenants at the heart of property management, raising standards and combating homelessness. The EVO app connects tenants, landlords, tradespeople and housing providers to share information and manage maintenance and compliance effortlessly. When something goes wrong, tenants can report it in under 30 seconds using the EVO app. They're asked to provide details about the problem and add photos so that the job can be presented to local, accredited tradespeople. The app provides all the information needed to access the property and repair the issue. It also contains the property service history, such as when the boiler was last serviced or where the stopcock is located. You wouldn't buy a car without a service history, so why would you move into a property without one? Housing providers and landlords can oversee all their properties using the EVO dashboard, which keeps the property documents, compliance information, user guides and FAQs in one place. EVO can provide custom integration with any existing system. EVO is already helping thousands of landlords significantly reduce operating costs and ensure compliance while improving tenant experience. The result is that landlords save time and money, tradespeople can be more efficient, and tenants get to live in a safe and happy home. Let's transform property management together. Get in touch to arrange a demo. EVO, for landlords who care.